If you're looking to improve your health, stay tuned because I'm about to share an amazing drink called golden milk that can perform miracles in your body. I will also teach you the full recipe so you can make yourself a cup of this amazing drink at home. Our immune system stands as our body's fortress, defending against external invaders such as viruses, bacteria, and toxins. Strengthening your immune system is essential for overall well-being, and one way to do that is by incorporating golden milk into your daily routine. At the heart of golden milk's immune-boosting prowess lies the golden spice, turmeric, and its star compound, curcumin. Curcumin has been widely studied for its remarkable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But how does it work its magic on our immune system? Curcumin has been shown to stimulate the activity of various immune cells, such as T cells, B cells, and natural killer cells. These cells play a pivotal role in recognizing and eliminating pathogens in our body. Golden milk's curcumin can also help balance the production of cytokines, which are proteins involved in cell signaling during an immune response. By modulating cytokine production, curcumin helps ensure a well-coordinated immune response without excessive inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, yet it's a double-edged sword. While acute inflammation serves as a protective mechanism, chronic inflammation can lead to a host of health problems, including cardiovascular diseases, arthritis, and even cancer. Golden milk, with its star ingredient, turmeric, offers a natural and effective way to combat inflammation. Curcumin is adept at shutting down pathways that trigger inflammation. It inhibits the activity of molecules known as nuclear factor kappa B and cyclooxygenase 2, which play pivotal roles in promoting inflammation. Curcumin has been shown to lower levels of inflammatory markers in the body, such as C-reactive protein. Elevated C-reactive protein levels are associated with chronic inflammation and an increased risk of various diseases. Inflammation often goes hand in hand with oxidative stress, where harmful free radicals wreak havoc on your cells. With its robust antioxidant properties, curcumin swoops in to neutralize these free radicals, helping prevent cellular damage. Well-functioning digestive system is the cornerstone of good health. If you've ever experienced digestive discomfort or wished for a natural remedy to support your gut, look no further than the warm, aromatic embrace of golden milk. Golden milk's digestive magic hinges on its two key ingredients, turmeric and ginger. These spices aren't just flavorful additions, they hold significant digestive benefits. Ginger is renowned for its ability to calm an upset stomach. It can help alleviate nausea, making it a go-to remedy for motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, and general digestive unease. Turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory properties, can help soothe the gastrointestinal tract. It may reduce inflammation in the gut lining, providing relief from conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and gastritis. A healthy brain is the cornerstone of a vibrant, fulfilling life. It's not just about physical well-being. Mental clarity, focus, and emotional balance are essential for overall wellness. Curcumin isn't just an inflammation fighter, it also holds promise as a neuroprotective agent. Curcumin has been shown to increase the levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a growth hormone that functions in the brain. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor is crucial for the growth, maintenance, and survival of neurons, and it plays a pivotal role in learning and memory. Oxidative stress can lead to the deterioration of brain cells and contribute to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Curcumin's potent antioxidant properties help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative damage in the brain. To make your golden milk, you'll need 1 cup of plant-based milk, such as almond, coconut, or soy milk, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a small slice of fresh ginger, a pinch of ground black pepper, a dash of cinnamon, and an optional sweetener such as maple syrup or agave nectar. Here's how to quickly whip up your drink. Heat your plant-based milk in a saucepan over low to medium heat. Add a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, a dash of ginger, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Stir well and let it simmer for a few minutes. This allows the flavors to meld, creating a harmonious blend that will delight your taste buds. Sweeten to taste with maple syrup or agave nectar. Pour into a cozy mug and take a moment to savor it. While the classic recipe is fantastic, don't hesitate to get creative. You can customize your golden milk by adding a dash of vanilla extract for a hint of sweetness, cardamom for an exotic twist, or even a pinch of cayenne pepper for an extra kick. Your golden milk can be as unique as you are. Turmeric has a lot of other benefits for the body as well as different ways to prepare it. Check out this next video to learn the best way to take turmeric to get its many benefits.